Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Santa's sleigh is finally here. Santa's here in Plants vs. Brainrots. So essentially, you will need to fill Santa's bag using this present tello plan. Basically, in order to get that seed, you will need to defeat Brainrots in the Santa's workshop biome. It is similar to the one before Santa came to the area. I don't know what it's called, but essentially what it does, if you fill everything in, if you fill 50, you will basically start the wrap weather. So you are able to plant your seeds, and hopefully you'll get the wrap mutation or the neon mutation on your plants when there is the wrap weather. So you are going to get presentello. You're going to plant the seed. Oh gosh, I only have two. And basically you're going to fill Santa's stash until it's all the way to the 50 mark. And you will then get the wrapped weather. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays to you guys.